Hello, hello. I'm not sure on the big Poppy autos, but most likely be looking for some Bobby Dahl back. I think we pulled a couple of his cards last night. There's a huge parallel list here. You guys want to screenshot that or just read through it for a second. These boxes have what they call a bonus pack, and it'll have 3 of the different parallels inside. It'd be 12 cards, and we usually get 4, I think, of each parallel. The Carolina Blues, the Teal Waves, and then the Cosmic Haze parallels. I like the way the Cosmic Haze parallels look. The Teal Waves have had some print line issues from what I've seen. And, of course, the Carolina Blues always look pretty cool as well. So, there's some of the inserts there. Not sure why they say Cosmic Haze. I think that's actually a silver down there at the bottom. Maybe that is a Cosmic Haze, and we just didn't pull one last night. What were we pulling instead? Silver, Carolina Cosmic Haze. No, that had to be what we were pulling. I don't know. Well, I'm going to have to double check that because they have this picture on both of the Cosmic Haze there and on the front. But I didn't see one of those last night. We kept pulling a different parallel out of the bonus pack. So, well, let's just get into it and see what we can figure out. They got so many parallels in here. Got me all sideways. We did have one box last night that did not have an autograph, which I've had that happen maybe 1 or 2 other times. Usually when that happens, we get points or something. We didn't get any points last night, so kind of a rip-off. But anyways, alrighty. And then they've got tiered cards too. So here's Ozzie Smith, and this one is not tiered, but it'll say like Tier 1, 2, yada yada. Starling Marte, Will Clark. That's a Tier 3. And then we got a green Mike Yastrzemski for the Giants. Sweet looking card there. A lot of cool like parallels. Just no no license. They don't have the team names and stuff on the uniforms. DJ LeMahieu, Miguel Yager. And I believe this is going to be our auto already for this box. Oh, it's number 2. Oh, for the Red Sox. Tanner Houck. 221 of 50. Wow, sweet. Very nice. See, now I thought this was like a Cosmic Haze like parallel, but honestly, I don't even know what it is. There's so, like, that back of that box is like mind twisting to read. And then we got Pete Alonso Lumber Incorporated behind it. Very nice. Yeah, I'll flip it back around here in just a second. We can take a look at it. I thought it was like 2. I don't like that top loader. I thought it was like 2 of something, but it was 21 of 50, I believe. Yeah, 21 of 50. Sweet. Hey, when I don't get a card straight in the top loader. There we go. That's a sweet looking card. What's crazy about this stuff is like people are always like, it's not licensed, I'll never buy it, blah, blah, blah. But I'm thinking about like just not listening to any more breaks and ripping them all open myself, because I've looked at some of the sales prices on some of these cards, and like we pulled 2 stained glass Mike Trout last night. Neither one of them were parallels, but if you happen to get a stained glass parallel, some of those stained glass cards can go for crazy amounts of money. But in auto, yeah, like you said, an auto's an auto. It don't matter to me. Evie Garcia, Cal Ripken. Oh, sick. There you go. I don't know if you like Manny Machado. It's no Tatis, but everybody's got a love-hate relationship with him. But I think that's a gold out of 100. Number 3 of 100. Sweet. Very sharp-looking card, too. Like, good eye appeal, not crazy off-centered or anything like that. I think these are gold. They have weird numbering. They may not be gold. It may be, oh, I looked it up the other day. There was another parallel. I don't know. I got no ideas. I don't know. You guys probably know more than I would at this point. It's so confusing. You got a championship stage, Jake Arrieta for the Cubs. Yeah, this has been a solid box. 3 packs in or whatever we're at. I've only pulled one of these cards like twice last year when we did 2020 Prizm. And I forget what it was, if it was gold or if it was like another term. But that is a sweet looking card. It almost looks kind of more like a tan color of some sort. But very nice. Justin Verlander. Logan Gilbert rookie for the Mariners. Giancarlo Stanton. And stargazing Juan Soto. Dude has been on an absolute tear second half of the season. Andrew Vaughn. Joe Adell. A couple of rookies there. Here's another one. Casey Mize. Those some good rookies in that little run. All base cards, though. We got a Cody Bellinger green for the Dodgers. Very heavily off-centered on that one. Cody Bellinger having a rough year. In all honesty, aside from his MVP season or whatever that was, he hasn't just been like lights out consistent. Mike Yastrzemski, Luis Garcia rookie, Tyler Glasnow, and a Will Myers Sluggers insert. Not a huge fan of these inserts. They're just a little busy for me. 2 big old bats going up the side. Old Nolan Arenado, always wearing those funky shades. Jacob deGrom. Got a illumination insert of Kyle Lewis for the Mariners. And a silver Jacob deGrom. Wish he wouldn't have got hurt. You don't wish anybody would ever get hurt, but the season he was putting up, I'd have liked to see him get a full run in, see what he could have done for the whole course of the year. I don't think anybody would have touched him on the Cy Young Award. There's a Bobby Dahlbeck rookie, Javi Baez, a Fearless Bryce Harper insert for the Phillies, and a Luis Robert Silver Fireworks insert. Very nice. It's been a good box so far, probably better than any of the 4 last night, just for the sake of getting a numbered auto like that. We still have our bonus pack. Maybe it was a rose gold. It looked a little bit too tannish to be rose gold, though. There's a nice rookie card. I think it's got a fuzzy on it, though. Yeah, got that off. Nice Alek Manoah for the Blue Jays. That dude can hurl the ball. Tucker Davidson, rookie for the Braves. Got Trent Grisham, Carolina Blue. Not a rookie card. He got all his out of the way last year, but nice one there. There's Kyle Lewis for the Mariners. Chris Bryant, getting some good veteran players. Andy Young. I believe these are the Cosmic Haze cards. But got Andy Young, rookie for the D-backs. Brandon Bielak for the Astros. Rookies on rookies. Mitchell White. Victor Gonzalez. Tons of pitchers in here. That's the only downside. Got Jose Garcia for the Reds. Teal Wave. Mike Soroka for the Braves. And a nice Ryan Mountcastle. I like Ryan Mountcastle. He plays for the Orioles, unfortunately, but he's going to be solid. Pulled a monster auto of him out of Bowman the other day. There's a chrome, is out of a blaster too. There's a chrome yellow /75 auto. I think it was only a couple $100 though, but he's still young. Kevin. Don't talk about it, Kevin. Did you ever look up the league record? Was it the Athletics back in like whatever that was when they made the movie about it with like 21 games in a row? Or who holds the actual streak? I bet ticket prices are nuts right now. Scalpers having a field day up there the next time they come to St. Louis. We got a choo-choo train coming. Sorry for all the dead time sleeving and top-loading cards, but there's just a lot of decent cards in here that are pretty and rookies and whatnot, so got to take care of it. Oh, dang. And they don't have enough games to actually get to that point then. Started the run a little bit too late, I guess. Hope we get a couple stained glass cards tonight. Like I said, we got 2 Trouts last night out of 4 boxes. I really want to see one that's actually a parallel of some sort. Because like I said, there was some awesome sales of those stained glass cards on eBay that I was looking at. Francisco Lindor, Jose Marmoleos, Kenta Maeda, and Alex Bregman green for the Astros. So we get a couple greens per box. They're pretty sweet looking. Fortunately, it looks like they've all been a little bit off center. Man, that train gets loud sometimes. Trevor Story. Got Monte Harrison, rookie for the Marlins. Got an auto coming up here. Doesn't look numbered. It's for the Indians, old Bobby Bradley. Not sure what this one's going to look like. Debut signatures. Oh, that's sweet. I think we had a couple last night that weren't Prizm at all, but this got a nice silver look to it. Very good looking card for the Cleveland Guardians. I guess I should rename the auctions. We haven't actually got to a product where they've got the updated names though, so don't want to confuse anybody. We got a Trey Turner stargazing insert. If you are looking to buy some Prizm, I know I said this last night, but I've been looking at it quite a bit because I'd like to buy more. I love opening this stuff. But to me, it looks like, and I bought mine off of eBay, but it looks like the prices are a lot cheaper on eBay compared to online Target and what I've seen pictures of in store. So if you're looking to buy some stuff, I'd probably look at eBay or like Facebook deals or something like that. Your local card shop might actually have them cheaper too. Zach Gallen, Albert Abreu, got a Joey Bart Illumination, and I forgot he's got a card in here, a Wander Franco Silver Emergent. Honestly, this card's probably got a little bit of money tied to it because he's got a random card in Topps Update, 2020 Topps Update. I've got some hanger boxes, the ones with I think Bryce Harper on the front. They're like green, but he's got a card in there that sells for decent money for what it is. Just some random stuff of Franco sells. You know, he's super young, but already really popular. I think the Rays, I don't know about tonight, but last night the Rays were like $2 or $3. Steal of a deal. Ronald Acuna, got a Jazz Chisholm rookie. Oh, there we go. Got a Red Wave, Zach Plessick for the Indians. I may have mispronounced his last name, but give it my best bet. 23 of 99. Kevin, I bet you that one sells for $9.99 free shipping. Probably in a standard envelope. Got a Edie Cape, Emergent for the Marlins. Be a silver Emergent Wander Franco. I'm going to say $10. Free shipping. I don't know on that Tanner Houck. Probably, since it's out of 50, you could probably get 15 or 20 bucks for it. 4 to 6 bucks. Lame. Jack Morris, Jose Altuve, Keston Hiura, and a green Chris Bubic rookie for the Royals. Again, these greens are just not super well centered. Honestly, most of these cards I'll probably just hang on to, especially if you believe in a player. Like you said, Kevin, I mean, 4 to 6 bucks for a card like that, that's probably about right. But if you pull a short print card like that autograph Houck to 50 and you look it up and it only sells for 12 bucks, shoot, it ain't even worth it to me. I just keep it, and you know, if it ever becomes popular, you could trade it or something. Blake Snell, Alek Manoah rookie, Anthony Santander, and championship stage Cal Hendricks. But you look at like 2012 Prizm, the first year it came out, of course that would be Trout's second year cards, and they call it his Prizm rookie, but that stuff sells like crazy. A lot of cards in that set sell for a little bit of money. Jared Oliva, Ryan Castellani, Travis Blankenhorn, 3 rookies there, and we got a Leody Taveras rookie class insert. This box has been a little slow compared to the first one. Alex Verdugo. Oh gosh. Koi Arihara, rookie for the Rangers. There we go. Got a Ronald Acuna Jr. stained glass. Very nice looking. I have noticed they're a little bit off-centered occasionally. Like this one's a little thick on the left side, but they're sweet cards. And we got a, is this going to be a Tier 3? Tier 2, Willie Stargell. Silver for the Pirates. Sweet. Now, I think you can get inserts in the bonus packs. I haven't gotten one yet, but there's well, the ones I looked at, there wasn't a ton of insert parallels. So, I would hope you can get some out. We get one out of these bonus packs eventually, and it would be kind of a limited card. But we've opened 5 boxes, and it's only been like, you know, the normal player cards so far. Yeah, you're right, Donnie. This is like we're working on a case, so hopefully we can find one of those super short prints. Got an Ian Anderson, Carolina Blue, Carlos Correa, Miguel Yajure, the Pirates. Man, I know I butchered a bunch of these names. Starling Marte for the Marlins. For the Cosmics, we got Pavin Smith, Jorge Guzman, another Trent Grisham. I think we had a Trent Grisham blue in the first one, so we might get the Trent Grisham parallels going on. Same thing here with Kyle Lewis. Got another one of him. Got a Teal Wave Francisco Lindor, and I think we're running into the print lines on these. There's Blake Snell. Walker Buehler, no print line. Nice. And Johan Oviedo, rookie for the Cardinals. Man. A lot of pitcher rookies in here. I mean, there is some decent. You know, Cabrera's got a rookie in here. I think Carlson's in here. Jared Kelenich's in here. There's a lot of guys with potential in here, but there's a ton of pitchers, too. But what's weird is the set's only 250 cards, so I don't know. I will go back and sleeve all the rookies, all the inserts, the parallels. I'll top load some more of them as well. Just try to stick to the rookies and maybe potential award winner, veterans and stuff for the year. Walker Buehler's been having a day this year. Oh, really? Did he... So I know when he first got called up, he played, you know, not the greatest. Did he go back down and then get called back up recently? Or did they just always have him on the Major League roster and just kind of set him out for a little while, had him pinch hit or something? I just know he played pretty bad his first little stint. I thought he went back down, but I can't remember exactly what happened. I got you. I don't know if I'll be able to get my fingers in there. There we go. Noah Syndergaard, Brooks Robinson, Nick Madrigal, and a Joe Adele fireworks insert. Yeah, I think everybody was expecting him to do just fine. I can only imagine getting called up to the majors and trying to perform immediately. I'd be sweating bullets. Joey Bart, rookie. Jesus Sanchez, Tejay Antone for the Reds, and Nolan Arenado, green for the Cardinals. Man, those greens, they gotta improve on that. I think we got our auto in here. There's Albert Pujols for the Angels. Got a Mickey Moniak, rookie for the Phillies. Autos are always upside down, so let's see here. Another Boston Red Sox. Not super familiar with this guy. Kyle Hart, rookie debut signatures for Boston. Huh. Wish that one was a little silver too, like the other one, but Just a plain one. You got a Giancarlo Stanton Sluggers insert. Yeah, at least he does have a cool signature. Boy, I've seen some guys in here and I'm like, ooh, they stopped teaching cursive in school. Got Eloy Jimenez, Tyler Stevenson, a Fearless Francisco Lindor, and a Christian Pache rookie class silver. I think he got sent back down, didn't he? I was doing some research. I think it was yesterday. I was goofing around, and I will get through this pack real quick. Paul Goldschmidt, Justin Turner, got a Yohan Oviedo rookie for the Cardinals, Christian Robinson emergent for the D-backs. On Baseball Reference, it's got, you can look up all the active players' WAR statistic. You got an Evan White rookie, Walker Buehler, Aaron Judge, and a Hae-Sung Kim green rookie for the Padres. Ooh, that card's about to come off the side there. Anyways, so I was looking up all the active players' wars. Of course, Trout's up there, like upper 70s or something. But they added a feature that says like their plate appearances right to the side, so you can like quickly calculate their WAR per plate appearance. There's nobody even close to Trout. Like, nobody even pacing what Trout's done. I was thinking, like, Juan Soto's had, like, 1,900 at-bats or something. I think his WAR was, like, 18. So I averaged it out, and he was, like, if you ran his plate appearances out to what Trout's is, he still wasn't going to touch Trout's WAR. Just, I know WAR doesn't exactly measure everything, but it's about probably the closest stat you'll ever get to the value of a player. Clark Schmidt, Max Scherzer, Alex Kirilloff, and a rookie class, Luis Garcia. Always said, like, why is Trout so touted when, you know, his team is just miserable? Like, most every sport, if a player's really that good, he can make a difference on the team where they can make the playoffs more than just once or whatever it is in his career. But this just goes to show, when you got a 5-man rotation pitching and 8 other guys on the field, you can only do so much. Brandon Woodruff, Edward Olivares, got a Rod Carew, old school. And, oh, there's a nice one. Very well-centered card. Joey Bart, silver for the Giants. Sweet. Now, I don't know what was going on with that first mega box, but I think quite possibly combined that box is beat the next 2 boxes after it. Unless we pull something crazy in here. Maybe we'll start getting some nice position player rookie parallels in here. There's a Larry Walker. He just got inducted, I believe. Rookie of Zach McKinstry for the Dodgers. Daniel Johnson for the Cleveland Guardians. Got Leody Taveras rookie for the Rangers. Jonathan Stever, Cosmic rookie. There's a good one. Jonathan India for the Reds. I like that guy. Corbin Burns, Cosmic. George Springer, Cosmic. Got a Pujols Teal Wave. I don't see any print lines on that, so that's good. Another Joey Bart. There's a Teal Wave of him. Got Cody Bellinger. And another Trent Grisham. Jeez Louise, I think we got all 3 for Trent Grisham. I'm pretty sure we got the Teal, the Carolina, and the Cosmic. I know we've got the Cosmic and the Teal. I can't remember if the first one was a Carolina Blue or not. That's pretty funny. Almost got it for Oh, Kyle Lewis, too. I think we need the teal wave for him as well. That's a nice card. How did Ohtani do tonight? Did he hit any more home runs? I saw somebody was saying he was like on the verge of racking up quite a few like monumental stats for the year. But he'd had to have like an amazing game to do it. Ten strikeouts, not too bad. That's always frustrating. Strike out 10 guys and still get beat. All it takes is one. I watch a lot of wiffle ball. I like those wiffle ball YouTube channels. And it's funny to me, like, it's kind of fun to watch, and they goof around and hit home runs, stuff like that over the little fences, but it's funny though, it'll be like 0 to 1, and there'll have been 15 strikeouts in the game, no hits, no errors, and there'll be like 6 walks. I was like, really? There's a huge YouTube channel. They got like 300,000 subscribers, and all they do is play wiffle ball. Anderson Tejada, Rafael Devers, Daniel Johnson, and Andres Gimenez rookie class for the Indians. Hopefully this box can be like that first one we had. Ever Kalina. There's a Cabrian Hayes base rookie. Christian Javier and a Luis Garcia. Green rookie for the Nationals. Probably one of the better greens I've seen so far. Pavin Smith rookie. Drew Rasmussen. Trey Turner illumination. And a stargazing Xander Bogaerts. Red Sox having a solid break. Tied through 7. Trevor Larnach, Frank Thomas, Alec Baum rookie, and a Mike Trout fireworks insert. First Mike Trout we've seen. He usually has a ton of Prizm like inserts and just opportunities to snag a card. I guess he's got a stained glass and a fireworks from what I've seen so far. Got Kyle Hendricks, Shohei Ohtani, Shane McClanahan rookie, and a Christian Pache green. So we got 2 green rookies out of this box. Jesus Luzardo, Jeff Bagwell. I don't see that card very often. Brent Rooker and Xander Bogaerts base stargazing. I don't think we pulled our auto yet. Jonathan India rookie. Dansby Swanson. Got a Christian Yelich fearless. and a silver Blake Snell. I don't think we pulled auto out of this box. Like I said, that happened last night. We had one of the 4 boxes did not have an auto. We do have another pack, though. I've never seen an auto in the bonus pack, so we might have got stiffed again tonight. Fingers crossed. I do get the packs out randomly each time, so it could have been the last pack this time. Jorge Guzman. Kevin Biggio, got a little debris there. Oh, I think we got the auto here, luckily. Yeah. Come on, be a numbered one. Lewis Thorpe, not numbered. I don't think. Maybe we'll get some silver shine on it. It doesn't say Prizm anywhere on the back, though. Yeah, just a base. Just the old initials there, LP. And a rookie class, Alex Kirilloff. So a couple of Twins cards back to back there. I don't think the Twins have had much all night, so nice snag there towards the end of the break. Alright, we're hunting the Kyle Lewis Teal Wave, so we get the triple crown of parallels for him. Man, that first box is lights out. I don't get how the other boxes were just so plain after what we pulled in that first one. They put those 2 super short print cards in there. Alright, we got Zach Gallen, Trevor Story, a rookie of Luis Gonzalez. Braxton Garrett, rookie. Trevor Rogers, couple of Miami rookies there. Ryan Jeffers, Cosmic for the Twins. Got a Yu Darvish, Cosmic. Gleyber Torres. Albert Pujols, Teal Wave. I think Teal Wave started with Albert last time. Dadgummit. Panini always does this. They'll run the same lineup in all their packs. Joey Bart, Ha-Seong Kim, and Cody Bellinger. We didn't really get much variation there from the last box. I'm glad that didn't happen throughout every box, though. I guess if you got the Giants, you got some Joey Bart tonight. Jeez. Make you a little rainbow in your sports cave. Big Giants fan. Twins had a nice last box here. Got a Cosmic rookie, a Kirilloff, and an auto. If I'm picking up a team in Prizm breaks, I'm probably going for the Angels or the Braves or whoever else has a stained glass card, because those are seem to be somewhat rare. We pulled 3 stained glass cards out of 8 boxes, and they have all been base. 2 Trouts and Acuna base, no color or numbers of any kind. So those typically seem to be fairly valuable so far with the Prizm release. Of course, you got some other things too, like I'm sure that Tanner Houck numbered auto has some value and different things. Well, there it is again. Very sweet looking. Almost looks like a camo parallel of some sort, but out of 50, 21 of 50. And we got the Manny Machado out of 100. I said I'm not sure. I thought it was gold. I'm going to say rose gold, but I couldn't find it on the box. I got a Jacob deGrom silver, Fireworks silver Luis Robert, Ryan Mountcastle Teal Wave, Jose Garcia Teal Wave, Mitchell White Cosmic, got a Victor Gonzalez Teal Wave, Brandon Bielak Cosmic, Andy Young Cosmic. The Carolina Blues, we got Alek Manoah and Tucker Davidson. We got a Bobby Bradley Silver Debut Signatures auto for the Cleveland Guardians. Nice little Wander Franco Silver Emergent. Kevin says this was valued around $4 to $6. Zach Plessick. Oh, I didn't even look at this one. This one should have been numbered. 23 of 99. Maybe I did. 23 of 99. Red Wave there. Nice one for the Guardians. Chris Bubik, green, rookie for the Royals. Willie Stargell, silver. Ronald Acuna Jr., stained glass. Johan Avedo, teal wave. Walker Buehler, teal wave. Pavin Smith and Jorge Guzman, cosmic rookies. Carolina Blues, we got Miguel Yajure, Ian Anderson. We got an auto for the Boston Red Sox, Kyle Hart. Rookie class silver of Christian Pache. Ha-Seong Kim, green. Joey Bart, silver. Joey Bart, teal wave. Jonathan India, cosmic. Jonathan Stever, cosmic. Leody Taveras, Daniel Johnson, Zach McKinstry, all Carolina Blues. Got Luis Garcia, green. Stargazing, Xander Bogaerts, silver. Mike Trout, fireworks. Christian Pache, green. Silver, Blake Snell. Other auto was Lewis Thorpe for the Twins. Ha-Seong Kim, teal wave. Joey Bart, teal wave. Ryan Jeffers, cosmic. Trevor Rogers, cosmic. We got 2 Carolina Blues here, Luis Gonzalez and Braxton Garrett. A lot of pitchers in Prizm, it seems, and a lot of sluggers. Just a lot of rookies as a whole. And it seems like we have a good shot with these mega boxes to get a few numbered cards. So I got another one of these tomorrow. I don't know if I've listed one after that. I'll probably get another one listed here in the next day or two. But anyways, these are fun breaks. If you guys need anything, just shoot me a message. I got one more break later tonight. If you get in that one, just message me so I can take your shipping off. Everything will ship tomorrow. You guys have a good start to your week, and we will catch you later. See ya.